I get the steak with the lobster. No, I fought you for your sound false. The main thing ain't even make my roster. Now you ballin' cause some bands on some bullshit cause I'm ballin'. I woke up to some labels calling, some people lying. I know I ain't perfect, but Lord, I'm trying. Now I get this money on my lonely. I don't need no new homies, I just need some new money. Now I get this money by my lonely. I don't need no new homies, I just need some new money. Okay. We get into the currency, niggas know we burn a tree. Knew I was gon' smash first time I ever heard the beat. Knew we was gon' fuck when she told me that she heard of me. Ex came back cause she really couldn't hurt of me. Over all the little things, now I'm in the pinky rings. Nigga, I'ma change the game. Big body, lane to lane, a lot of people saying things, but they all broke though. People with the answers, you can never get a quote though. It's hard to keep the hope when it don't milk your coat. People dropping like flies, never meant treat us like jokes. Life under the scope, I'm trying to live life remote. Get up out my face, man, I don't even know the folk. Now I get this money by my lonely. I don't need no new homies, I just need some new money. True story. Now I get this money by my lonely. I don't need no new homies, I just need some new money. That's my song, Rockin' Out. That was off my project, Connected Through Music. Produced by Abel Made It. This next joint's 81.
25 words.
Man, let me